자, 테스트를 시스템 오디오의 브라우저가 엣지하고 크롬이 있습니다. 크롬의 사운드와 엣지 사운드를 각각 구분하여 오디오를 컨트롤할 수 있는 방안이 마련되었습니다. 지금 그래서 엣지는 시스템 오디오 B1에 들어가고 크롬은 오디오 플레이백 엔진을 바이오3로 이거로 해서 B1으로 들어가겠습니다. 똑같이 B1이 들어가지만 자, 한번 볼까요? 지금 크롬의
blank screen. Now, if you want to stream your computer screen, the first thing you need to do is go into the plus icon right here, and you need to select display capture. And this, I'm going to name it
크롬의 오디오를 들어가게끔 B1에 들어가게끔
And as you can see, we have
조절했어요.
our screen right here.
B1입니다.
So that means we're going to broadcast.
B1에서 들어가고 조절합니다.
Great. Now, the next thing you might want to do is you might want to broadcast your webcam
B1이죠.
if you have one. That's
껐어요. 안 들어가야죠.
name this webcam.
다시 들어가게 하고
And I'm going to select my
B1을
webcam.
뭐 이렇게 다시 조절해 볼까요? 이걸
For around -6 dB, so I have a little bit of headroom, and then we can go back. I can add a high pass filter so that I can get rid of any rumble.
스탑을 합니다. B1 그 다음에 크롬이 아니라 엣지에서 브라우저 엣지 브라우저를 이거로 엣지 브라우저는 B3로
Better with Waves Voice Centric.
Got multiple audio clips in your production? Get them all sounding smooth with Playlist Rider. Meet loudness standards for podcasting and YouTube with the WLM Plus meter. Voila! Great sounding audio for your podcast or video, all done easily with the Waves Content Creator Audio Toolkit. Now, go create something amazing.
여기서 들어가요. 바이오스를 한번 다시 보겠습니다. 스탑하고 보면은 소리 설정 열기에서 그 옵션에서 엣지를 요 분명히 바이오3로 가게끔 했어요. 근데 엣지에서 거기가 엣지가 아니었네요. 여기 엣지네. 이게 엣지죠. 이게 ets죠. 엣지에서 여기서 지금 오디오가 나오죠. 그럼 똑같이 B1입니다. 끄고
on the UR22C and basically the entire range of URC interfaces, and this allows you to get a very good sound very quickly for your voice or anything else that you connect
이걸
into the
뮤트를
preamp.
할 수도 여기서 뮤트를 할 수도 있겠죠. 그리고 똑같은 B1이지만 이건 좀 다른 거죠. 크롬입니다. 크롬에서 나갑니다. 이거는 지금 안 나가네.
Hello, I'm Mike Russell from Music Radio Creative. If you're a podcaster or a YouTuber,
이걸
you know
뮤트를 할 수 있고
Aggressive compression if I want this kind of radio voice, or I can
스탑.
often struggle with things such as getting rid of background noise, making voices sound better, leveling out multiple clips, and hitting that all-important loudness standard. Enter the Waves Content Creator.
그럼
is this loopback button.
엣지.
This loopback button should be on not only so that your
그다음에
audience can hear your voice through your microphone,
프로툴스도
but so that they can also hear the
여기서
sound of your DAW.
프로툴스는 B3에서
DAW like Cubase, for
나가게
example,
했어요.
or your audio coming out of your computer like
복잡하죠?
Spotify or your internet browser, all these things. If you want to play some music, this needs to be turned on. This will
B3.
allow your audience to hear back the music that you're playing, and
복잡합니다.
also being able to hear the effects that you had over here with your channel strip, or maybe
크롬을 줄였고 또 이 크롬은 살아있네. 그러니까 요거는
you want to add a little bit of
뭔가
reverb like that. So this is also very useful if you want to
엣지.
stream your live
엣지고 요것이 크롬이고 크롬입니다. 이게. 크롬
I'll show you how. You just simply go in and add, first of all,
크롬
performance
엣지.
on YouTube. You can add a little bit of reverb to your voice. Or if you're a guitarist, you might want to go and run your guitar through an amp simulator.
엣지 크롬
into the first slot, the mono edition of the NS1 noise suppressor.
두 개 다
And then it's a
틀어놓고
case of
These are
taking this
also
fader
nice
from
DSP
0
effects
to
that are in
100,
the box.
whatever's
So once
appropriate
we
for
set
your
up our
level of
audio the
noise.
way
Watch
we
this
want
as
it,
I
we're ready
move it
to
up
jump
and play
into
back, the
OBS
noise suppression
and get
kicks
ready
in.
for streaming.
You'll see this
뮤트를
clearly if I switch on
엣지.
preview mode before,
Quickly,
after.
I'm going to
It's
show
not so
you how you
Chrome.
can set up OBS
엣지
going to get this blank
여기서
screen.
뮤트에는
Now, if
의미가
you want to
없죠.
stream your
그치?
computer screen, the
여기
first thing
지금
you need to
하게
do is
있으니까
go to the plus
이것을
icon right here.
다
And
The further I
틀어놓고
push that
select
up, the
display
more that
capture.
noise is
And this I'm
suppressed
going to name
and
it
removed
Mac.
when there is no
시스템에서
speech. Let's listen.
Click OK.
Hi
And as you
everybody,
can see,
my name is
we
Isabella
have
Russell and
And you can see
our
it kicking
screen
in
right
in between
here.
the
So
words.
that
It's
means
not
that
touching
we're
the speech, but
going to
every time there's
go
silence
to our
or
screen.
noise to suppress,
Great. Now, the
NS1
next thing you
does
might
it
want to do
perfectly.
is you might
Okay,
want to
on to step number
broadcast
2,
your webcam
how to
if
make
you
a
have
voice
one. That's
sound
also very
better.
simple. You
Okay,
can
now
just
it's time to
느낌
add in
값으로
another plugin, Gregwell's
바꿔줄게.
Voice Centric,
And
the
I'm
mono
going
edition,
to
and this
name
is
this
essentially
webcam,
one knob, but it does
and I'm going to
three
select my
amazing
webcam.
things. Firstly, it
go.
compresses, so any spikes
Here
you
I
can
am.
see
여기서
So now
here,
I can
here,
click
here,
OK, and as
all
you
through
can
the
see, I can
speech,
place
levels them out,
my
so makes the
webcam.
voice more consistent in volume.
뮤트할 수
Then it
있고
adds some EQ into the mix, which essentially
크롬을 뮤트할 수 있고
we get
엣지를
the
넣고
audio settings right, because that's a very important thing when you're
지금
live
엣지
streaming.
들어가죠?
really
on
harsh in
YouTube.
headphones in
크롬을
particular, it's eliminating that. So it's amazing. All in this
들어가게
one knob. First,
엣지 들어가게 하고 두 개 다 멈춰버렸죠.
let's from 0 to 100%. So we'll play back.
the different audio sources in your whole show.
그리고
UR22C as our device. We click OK, and as you
엣지를
can see, now you can see the level of my microphone
이렇게.
input right here. So if I turn down the gain, it's gone. So I can also take the
control하시
levels
있다.
from here, but if I've set it up already in the DSP Mix FX app, I'm already good to go. Now, because we've turned loop back on, I can also play some music from Spotify in this case, but it could also be Cubase or your DAW.
방송 중단해서